You just witnessed the inauguration ceremony right here at Hyundai Experience Zone. And let me wish each and every one, the Hyundai team, everyone here, let's move it forward, let's work together, moving you further. And ladies and gentlemen, now we are moving ahead. We'll be moving forward for the next ribbon cutting ceremony at the parks area here. Gentlemen, let's move the other side.
Tata Hitachi, and we are also joined by Mr. Shin Nakajima, who is the Director, Sales and Marketing and Customer Support. And my name is BK Prasad. I take care of marketing in Tata Hitachi. Thank you for joining us. Sir, over to you.
What I'll do is I'll give you a brief overview of Tata Hitachi, and I'll try to cover some important aspects so that it covers some part of your question, which are the normal queries. And if there's any other question, you are most welcome. English is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Tata Hitachi is there. It's this 60-40 JV between Tata Motors and Hitachi Construction Machinery. It is one of the oldest construction equipment manufacturer company in India. 60 years old. We are celebrating 60th year of partnership. We have two plants. One is in Kharagpur, the other one in Dharwad in North Karnataka. We manufacture 2-ton to 120-ton excavators in India. The largest range of excavators in India is produced by Tata Hitachi. 2-ton to 120-ton. 2-ton to 20-ton we manufacture in Dharwad. 20-ton to 120-ton we make them in Kharagpur, which are higher end of excavators because in like, so that we have control on the technology, quality, cost and availability. That is the core strength of Tata Hitachi. The most important thing is the cost of operation. Why we are at a leadership position in excavators? Because the maintenance cost of our equipment is the lowest. Because
are you saying the maintenance cost?
Maintenance cost.
Maintenance cost.
Because most of the components are made in India, their availability is better, we have critical mass, so scale is there. So it reflects directly into the resale price of the equipment. Today, if you have to look at 20-ton or 10-ton or any excavators in India, used one, the highest price is commanded by Tata Hitachi machine. So that reflects the quality and good after sales service of the machine. These are 2 or 3 differentiating factors. The other thing is many other manufacturers have different mode of sales. We sell all our machine up to 37 ton through our dealers. Because we believe it is very important to have a local person having very strong relationship with customers. Because this business is not on you don't operate the machine. The machine has to perform all the time, 24/7. So therefore, local person availability, understanding the language, responding to the requirement is very, very important. So these are some of the key factors we always keep it in mind while selling our machine. Just are many things, availability of finance, there are other so many factors which play a role in sales. But these are 2 or 3 factors which I feel play very, very important role.